If you want to use a hex code in Krita, I'm going to show you the fastest way to do it step by step. This is really helpful if you already know the exact color you want and you want to apply it to your brush without guessing or manually adjusting sliders. Whether you're matching a brand color, using a palette for art, or just trying to stay consistent, this is one of the simplest tools to know in Krita. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Krita guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, look at the top horizontal toolbar in Krita and click the foreground color box. This is the color box that controls the active paint color for your brush. When you click it, a color picker window will open. Inside that pop-up, look toward the bottom right area and find the input field labeled color name. This is where Krita lets you enter a color value directly. Click inside that box and type or paste your 6-digit hex code. For example, if you want a gold color, you could enter FFD700. Make sure you type the code correctly, because one small mistake can give you a completely different color. After entering the hex code, press enter or click OK to confirm it. Once you do that, the color will be applied to your active brush color, and you can start painting with that exact shade right away. This is the quickest method if you already have your color code and just want to get to work. Now, if you want something a little more convenient, Krita also has a sidebar widget that can keep your hex code visible all the time. This is especially useful if you switch colors often or want easier access while working on detailed art. To turn that on, go to the settings menu at the top. From there, hover over Dockers and then check the box for Specific Color Selector. Once you enable it, a new Docker will appear on your workspace. At the bottom of that Docker, you'll see the hex field where you can view or change the code whenever you want. This makes it much easier to manage colors without reopening the full picker every time. There's also another quick method if you want to select a color directly from your artwork or project. If you already have the color visible on your canvas, you can hold Ctrl and click on the color using the Eyedropper tool. Krita will sample that color and make it the active color instantly. This is perfect when you want to match an existing element exactly. So to quickly recap, if you want to enter a hex code in Krita, click the foreground color box, find the color name field, type in your hex value and confirm it. If you want a permanent hex display, enable the Specific Color Selector Docker through Settings and Dockers. And if you want to grab a color from your artwork, use Ctrl and click with the Eyedropper tool. That's how to use hex codes in Krita the easy way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Krita tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly digital art tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.